guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the same show, and today we'll be talking about my skincare essentials. So, a small disclaimer to you people that I am no beauty advisor or I am not an expert in this. And secondly, I have a combination as well as oily skin. Combination during winters and oily during summers. So, I have products according to that only, and let's dig into it. So, first of all, this is my pouch. It's from Miniso, and I really liked it. Yeah, and let's start with the skincare. So, first of all, I have my moisturizer. Yeah, it's Innisfree green tea seed essential lotion. It's a very good moisturizer and very light on my skin. Like, it also helps because it has green tea. It also helps in that acne and pimple things. So yeah, and I have been using this for last 3 years, I guess, and it has really helped me a lot. So another product is sunscreen. Obviously everyone has to use a sunscreen, and this is also from Innisfree. It has SPF 35 and it's a mild sunscreen. The higher the SPF, the better it is. But मेरे को Innisfree के ही शॉप पर्सन ने बोला था कि आफ्टर 30 and 35 जितने भी सनस्क्रीन होते हैं वो 99% ही प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं स्किन को. So he suggested me that I should go for this SPF only. I have one more SPF, and it's a Body Shop Vitamin C product, and it is SPF 30. Okay, so the thing with this product is that my sister, younger sister, she researched it and she told me not to apply it when I am in the direct sunlight, like when I'm outside, because vitamin C like they tan कर देता है face को या. So whenever I'm home, like I don't have to go out, so I use this sunscreen, and when I have to go out, I use this one. So yeah, I don't know, but that's what she said. So yeah. Okay. Another product is my hand cream from Body Shop. It's shea butter. It's a really nice. I like shea butter. That's why I got this one. ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है इसमें. It's just that I like the smell. So yeah. Then I have. Okay. Yeah. I have tea tree oil because I have a oily skin और काफ़ी ज़्यादा pimples होते हैं मेरे को. So whenever there are a lot of pimples on my face और acne भी, so what I do is I mix it with my winter वाला moisturizer, that is Cetaphil, and I take one drop and mix it with Cetaphil and I just apply it on my face during nights. सुबह में नहीं, because I have to wear my sunscreen and all and everything, so I do it at night only. And it really helps to soothe your skin, and yeah, it helps in fading away the pimples and acne. So yeah, this, if you have an oily skin, do not apply it bare face. Either mix it with water or mix it with your moisturizer, any moisturizer if you want. So yeah, I have a habit of collecting lip balms, you guys, and like I have almost 10 to 12 lip balms, and I'm not even lying. So yeah, if you want to see a video on my lip balms, then kindly comment below and I'll shoot a video for you people. But yeah, this is this. It's from Laneige, and it's a sleeping mask. It's a really nice lip balm, lip mask. I wear it any time of the day. It's not for night necessarily. So it's a really good lip mask. काफ़ी छोटू सा bottle है, but yeah, I have this. I have one more cream. It's from Kiehl's, you guys, and this is Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. So this is also very lightweight on skin, and like it's for oily skin people only, or if you have an oily T-zone या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा acne prone skin है, तो it's for that. Calendula basically helps for drying up the pimples or drying up the acne which we have. So This product is a really nice product. It's a little expensive. It's around, I guess ये बड़ा वाला bottle है, and it's for around 4,000. So it's a bit high end, but if you guys really want to clear out your skin, it really helps. It really helps. And okay, it's a BB cream, you guys, and it also has SPF 30. So this is not my everyday essential or everyday thing. So I mix it with my sunscreen, and then I apply it as sunscreen only, like 2 drops of this and 2 drops of this, mix it all together and apply it on your face and your neck, and you're good to go. Like काफी बेहतर लगने लगते हो. So yeah, I use this. Okay, I have lipsticks. It's not my everyday thing, but yeah, I just dab it a little bit, like whenever I want. So I have 3 to 4 lipsticks, and if you want, I'm not gonna show you guys, or I'm not gonna talk about it, you guys. And if you guys want to see the lipsticks, then comment below and I'll make a video of lipsticks and lip balm together, because there's no point making 2 different videos for lip balm and lipstick. So yeah, comment below and I'll show you my lipsticks. They are very good ones. If you want to see, then just let me know. Okay, there's one more lip balm I have, and this is from Dior. It's Lip Glow. It's a very nice lip balm, and I'm not gonna talk about it until unless I get comments below for videos on lipstick and lip balms. So yeah, and the last thing which I have, it's like ये मेरे को अभी recently मिला है. It's Chandan oil, and my mother got this from Rajasthan. Like somebody got it for us from Rajasthan, and this is pure Chandan oil. ग्लो करने लगता है स्किन, लाइक मेरा तो करने लगता है. आई कैन नॉट से अबाउट एवरीबडी, बट हाँ काफ़ी ग्लो करने लगता था. सो मेरे को चाहिए था ये, बट आई वॉज नॉट श्योर वेयर टू ऑर्डर फ्रॉम, बिकॉज प्योर चंदन ऑयल देखो मेरे को गारंटी का नहीं पता था.
It's a nice thing, and I would definitely go for another bottle. And it also helps, like, if you have a headache or something like that, or थोड़ा mood lift करने में and to soothe you up. This really helps. Like I like Chandan oil. I like the smell of the Chandan, so मेरे को इतना कुछ वो नहीं है. If you guys don't like the smell, so don't buy, because काफी ज़्यादा strong है इसका smell. So yeah, that's it. And my pouch is empty now. It's just my lip balm and lipstick. So yeah, if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends.
And that's it, you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share my video.
See you next time. Okay, guys, I don't know the trick, but yeah, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.